The menu control is very similar to the tree view control. The only difference is the way it displays your navigation structure. You can configure the menu control to use information from your web.sitemap file, using the techniques you learned in Lesson 6.16. In this lesson, you'll learn how to customize a menu control manually without a web.sitemap file. To begin, open the Forest Walks project from your Sample Files folder. And open site.master in Design View. Now delete the existing Tree View control and add a Menu control in its place. You'll find the Menu control in the Navigation category of the toolbox. Set the ID property of your new menu control to Menu Navigation. Now you're going to configure the menu control to display links horizontally instead of vertically. To do this, set the orientation property of your menu control to horizontal. You're now going to manually add some links to your menu control. Open the Quick Tasks menu of your menu control and click Edit Menu Items. The Menu Item Editor dialog appears. An identical dialog is available for the Tree View control, which you worked with in Lesson 6.16. Now click the Add a Root Item button in the top left of the dialog. A new item appears in the dialog, and its properties are displayed on the right. Set the text property of the new item to Home and set the Navigate URL property to ~default.aspx. Note that this property has a Browse button, allowing you to select the target page using a dialog. Now click the Add a Root Item button again to add another item. Set the text property of this item to Walks. This time, click the Add a Child Item button to add an item inside the Walks category. Set the text property of this item to Dream Falls and set the Navigate URL property to ~dreamfalls.aspx. Now click OK. Finally, you're going to apply a custom style to your menu control. Set the CSS class property of the menu control to Menu. This CSS class originates from the site.css file in the Styles folder. CSS classes are covered in Session 2 of the Essential Skills course. Now set the Include Style block property of the menu control to false. The Include Style block property controls whether the menu control will add any CSS code of its own. By setting it to false, you ensure that only your own CSS will be applied to the control. Now view default.aspx in your web browser. Your menu control now offers an attractive and easy-to-use navigation menu. Notice that the Walks menu automatically expands when you move your mouse cursor over it. Close your web browser now and close Visual Studio. You've now completed Lesson 617. Use the menu control.